Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to block someone on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to block someone on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone, and on this interface guys, open up the chat box of the person whom you want to block on Telegram. So I'll be just going with this. And now guys, after opening the chat box of the person whom you want to block on Telegram, you can see their name at the top of the screen. You will be required to tap on the name at the top, and kind of interface will appear where we can see the three-lined icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and you will find the block user option available for us just below the share contact. Tap on block user and this kind of pop-up menu will appear, and tap on the block user again, and that user will be blocked on your Telegram account. And there guys, this is how to block someone on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.